Whenever people speak new language means fighting with hesitation and fear are the main factors for enhancing our confidence. And I think this is the only fastest way to speak English language. Hello my young minds, welcome again to all of you to my new video. In this video I am just going to give you some tips and tricks and some necessary facts that really must build some layers of confidence so that you can speak English language more confidently and clearly. Fortunately, there have many videos and sources on the internet, but just going through the videos that is available on the YouTube, you need to keep some necessary facts in your mind. And do you know, the facts that I am just going to reveal in front of you really must make multiple layers of confidence whenever you talk about the speaking of any language. Do you know, not only watching the videos available on the internet or writing the sentences on the notebook is not a way to making yourself more confident. Not only watching the videos on the internet can enhance your speaking skill, but also you have to just keep yourself in practice so that you can carve your skill far better in comparison of previous stage. So remember, before watching the videos on the YouTube, you have to just practice any English sentences orally. For mastering the English language, the language that you want to learn more confidently and build yourself more confidence in that particular language, you have to just expose to that language. Really, if you talk about the English language and you want to get mastery in this concept, you have to just expose to yourself to English. Do you know, you will amazed to hear this, that thousands of people got their fluency in English language not only writing sentences and not only writing articles on notebook and not watching English speaking videos on YouTube, but I think they must have gave their time in practicing English speaking. Sometimes many barriers come on the way of the people who are struggling, and the people who are really finding their destination, and the people who are really traveling to their destination. But do you know, whenever you are talking about the speaking English and the area and the country where you are living and where this spoken English is not common, then in this situation you have to just research many opportunities. You have to search many opportunities in your localities. Just consult your personal tutor and just give your a lot of time for reading the English literature book. And the last one is that giving a lot of energy to construct English sentences. And these tips that I am just telling you are the main factors for enhancing our confidence. I think if you find some creative ways to fit regular English speaking opportunities in your life, then things will go normally and you will become able to speak this language confidently. Whenever people speak new language means fighting with hesitation and fear. And in another words, you can say that speaking of English language is just like using the blunt axe. But remember, my dear audience, real progression in life comes when you are on the way of practice. So I shall tell you that just allow yourself to make mistakes and learn from these mistakes. And I think this is the only fastest way to speak English language.